Hi friends! You can add a variety of charts and graphs into a spreadsheet, including line, bar, and map charts. Do you want to create graphs in Google Sheets? Let's have a look at the method to create graphs in Google Sheets on your Windows 7 PC. Open a web browser. Type sheets.google.com in the address bar and then press the Enter key. Now sign in to your Google account. You can use the worksheets already saved on the drive to create a graph, or you can click on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen to open a new worksheet. Here you can create a database and create a graph according to it. For demo purpose, here we are creating a database and then creating a graph according to it. Now select the data. You can click on the Insert Chart icon in the toolbar, or just click on the Insert menu and then click on Chart. In the Recommendations tab, you can choose the graph style of your choice. Now click on the Customization tab. In the title box, you can give the title of the graph. Scroll down the screen and then choose the required axis. Now give a name to the selected axis. Scroll the screen down, and from here you can select the series of your choice. Now select the appropriate options to edit the selected series. Once done, click on Insert. It will create a graph on the worksheet. You can move the graph to any place in the worksheet. You can also resize it by using your mouse. If you want to edit the graph more, then click on the down arrow icon at the top right corner of the graph and then click on Advanced Edit. The same window will open again, and from here you can edit the graph the way you want. Once done, click on the Update button. Here you can see that the worksheet is saved by the default name, Untitled Spreadsheet. To rename it, just click on the default name. In the Rename Spreadsheet dialog box that appears, type the name you want to give, and then click on the OK button. Now the worksheet has been saved with the new name. Click on the Sheet's Home icon to confirm the sheet has been saved successfully. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching.